Starting your online store? Avoid beginner mistakes. Here are 5 time-tested tips every new seller should know. Tip 1. Start small but think big. Begin with a limited product range to focus on quality and service. Build a solid foundation for future growth. Tip 2. Invest in professional product photos. Your products must look their best to win trust and attract buyers. Tip 3. Simplify the buying process. Ensure your website is easy to navigate and the checkout process is smooth and quick. Tip 4. Build trust early. Showcase authentic reviews and offer clear information about shipping and returns. Tip 5. Continuously analyze and adapt. Use analytics to understand your customers' behavior and refine your strategy. Start small. Focus on quality. Build trust. Keep learning. Your online store success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Apply these tips today and begin your journey to success.